In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Trello master board, two-way card sync, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a master board that automatically mirrors cards back and forth between boards, so updates made in one place instantly appear in the other. Start by signing into Trello and opening the board you want to use. You can use an existing board or a fresh one, it doesn't matter. Make sure you have permission to manage power-ups on this board since we'll be adding an integration. On the top of your board, click the Power-Ups icon. This opens the panel where you can extend Trello with extra features. Choose Add Power-Ups to browse the directory, and in the search bar, type Board Sync by Unito. Unito is the tool that will power the two-way sync between your Trello boards. Select it, click Add, and follow the prompts to authorize the integration. You'll be asked to grant access so Unito can read and write cards on your behalf. This is required for a true two-way connection. Once the authorization is complete, you'll see the Unito icon on your board. Click it to open the power-up and choose Create Workflow. A workflow is the bridge that connects your boards. Think of it as the rule set that decides what moves, when it moves, and how fields line up on both sides. Now start mapping the boards you want to sync. Pick the first Trello board and then the second. Set the direction to two-way so changes flow both ways. Next, decide what should sync by configuring rules and fields. You can filter by lists, labels, or members if you only want certain cards to move. Then map key fields like title, description, due date, labels, members, and checklists so they stay consistent across both boards. This is where you shape the master board to reflect exactly what matters to your team. When prompted, make sure your Trello account is linked for each side of the connection. If you're connecting boards across different workspaces, confirm you have access to both. When everything looks right, confirm and start the sync. Unito will initialize the connection and begin syncing cards according to your rules. The first pass can take a moment, especially if your boards are large. After that, updates happen automatically, keeping both boards aligned without manual copying. And that's it. You've built a Trello master board with two-way card sync in just a few minutes. Enjoy a single source of truth while your team keeps working in the boards they already know.